What is it like to have a calming, safe space to be fully creative? What if you could spend a whole day crafting with your favourite crafters on the internet? Imagine escaping from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and diving into a serene and creative space. That's what our retreat offers you. Come and join us for the March Mindfulness Retreat. You will not only gain valuable insights from some amazing instructors, but you also get a delightful retreat kit filled with gorgeous stamps, dies, stencils, and so much more. Unleash your creativity with loads of inspiration and connect with crafters just like you. If you missed the last retreat, you don't want to miss this opportunity to enjoy a full day of interactive virtual card making workshops, awesome giveaways, and maybe an extra surprise. With our wonderful retreat kit and amazing project instructions taught by our skilled instructors, you will have a blast creating beautiful things in your craft room. Register now, as seats are limited and we don't want you to miss out. We can't wait to see you at the March Mindfulness Retreat. It will be a weekend of card making joy.
I love the online retreats because number one, you can do them at your own pace. Sometimes I do them live, but most times now I like doing them after they're recorded because then I could pause and do it at my own pace. Yeah. And I also prefer them because you have them forever. Yeah. You could always go back, a year from now. I'm not going to remember a card I made, so I don't have to. Normally when I create cards, it's hard to part with them. So you have to make two or you can't mail it out. Now that we have these classes online, you could just create another one. You don't have to worry about saving one.
Hello there, crafty friend, Lydia here. Just popping in to say that you can get your daily dose of crafting tips, techniques and tutorials just like this by subscribing to the Altenew YouTube channel. All you need to do is click on that little bell up there and you will never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.